Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find this information useful, please like this video. Today is Monday, 4th July 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold, without VAT price is 218.52 and with VAT is 251.30. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 200.60 and with VAT is 230.69. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 191.20 and with VAT is 219.88. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 163.89 and with VAT is 188.47. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 127.83 and with VAT is 147 exact. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 91.12 and with VAT is 104.79. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 54.63 and with VAT is 62.82. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in Saudi Arabia is 15% out of 100. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.